Good morning, our beloved judges. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for the opportunity that has given to me in this time in our debate session today to deliver my argument. It's an honor for me to join this National School Debate Competition of 2022. So, before I start, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Monica Arneta Yuswi de Anggar. My nickname is Neta, and I am representing Public Senior High School 1 Langke Rembong from Nusa Tenggara Timur, Indonesia. And in today's debate session, I am the speaker of government team. So the motion that we discuss in our debate session today is this House would criminalize individuals and organizations who don't do recycle. Before I tell you my argument, I would like to give you a definition of criminalize. So criminalize means determining a behavior that was not previously seen as a crime to be an act that can be punished. In other words, making a non-criminal act a criminal act. And the meaning of the recycle. So the meaning of the recycle is, which I understand from our motion today, is to recycle garbage or trash or something that is not useful anymore. So the first reason why I totally agree with our motion today is because recycled materials are not because recycled materials are things that have become a trash or something that is not useful anymore, that might harm the environment. Recycling is the process of turning useless materials or something that is not useful anymore into a new materials with the aim of preventing waste that can actually be useful, reducing the use of new raw materials, reducing energy use, reducing pollution and land damage, and also greenhouse emission when compared to the process of making new goods or new materials. And this is the positive things of recycling. So we are recycle things that is not useful to the things that is useful, and it's good for our environment because we don't use a new materials. We don't use a new material, so there are no more trash. And our recycling waste will create environmental problems that one day will grow big and be difficult to overcome. Just like nowadays, malls, supermarkets, or shopping centers that we visit have begun to prohibit the use of plastic, which in this case, a trash or something that's not useful, by intersting plastic into shopping receipts, thereby increasing the money that must be paid when shopping. And there are also those who do not use plastic at all and ask buyers or their customers to bring their own cloth bags from their respective homes, from their homes. And there are now too many environmental problems in addition to natural disasters that occur naturally. The problem is compounded by air pollution, land pollution, and also water pollution, namely just like the accumulation of garbage or trash both in land and in the sea. The second reason why I totally agree with our motion today is environmental safety campaigns have been called for by all elements for a long time, but have not shown a maximum result. Therefore, with the criminalize this of individuals or organizations that didn't do a recycle, there will be a deterrent effect so that individuals or organizations make more efforts to do a recycle to recycle their products or their waste. It's hard to put in a lot of effort and hard work to keep the environment safe, but this hasn't shown a significant effect yet. And criminalize individuals or organizations that do not do a recycle will make them aware and know that recycling waste or recycling trash is something that is very important, especially for their own safety. And the third reason, last but not least, is when the criminalized process, there will be also there also be followed by assistance or supervisions so that it can be maximized in achieving goals and does not cause new problems in environmental pollution due to the large amount of waste. So uh, when government give us rules to always to criminalize these uh, individuals or organizations who don't do recycle, there will be also assistance or supervision from government. There will accompanying us to make to maximize this effort from government. And there will be new regulation following efforts to criminalize individuals or organizations that do not recycle, so that there is a legal certainty, so that there will be strict safeguards so that this criminalization effort can run well and give a positive effects the positive effect, just like the campaigns that I mentioned about. And so, our beloved judges, by this reason that I have mentioned about, I can take a conclusion that I'm totally agree with today's motions, which is this house would criminalize individuals and organizations who don't recycle. Thank you.